impressive for a single sub.
Thank you. Yeah, I got a cute Neosin at home. It's got your Regan for it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. What vehicle is this?
Kia Forte.
Kia Forte.
The hatchback, yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, that was definitely. That's true. That's true.
I'm guessing this one's yours?
Yep.
Doing a video for YouTube, man.
Oh, hell yeah.
You built this?
Yep.
Okay. Could you give me a... I'll get in the vehicle for an official.
Okay,
yeah. Go ahead. For an official intro, what all's in here and all of that good stuff.
It's a Phi Q Ferrite 15 powered by an Orion XTR 2500 and a CES alternator under the hood.
What size?
It's the alternator, 250 amp.
250, okay. And what is this wired to?
It's wired to 1 ohm.
1 ohm. All right. Awesome. And what was your name?
Regan.
Regan, okay. Have you metered it?
Last time I did a meter with my old box, I was at 147.
Oh, wow, for a single sub, that's good.
Oh yeah, I'm really happy with it.
Pioneer head unit?
It's a Pioneer DH 80 PRS.
Okay. And what was it tuned to?
31.
31, all right.
I know you're tryna fuck something likes on my IG, but I ain't tryna love nothing, I just wanna slide. Hit the club with some ass touching, take it to the house, throw some racks and we back fucking. And we back fucking. Hit the club with some ass touching, take it to the house, throw some racks and we back fucking. Give it to me right now. That bitch got her own cake, money in the bank, got her own safe. Set the record straight. Pair of nunchucks. That ass in the cash, like. house, throw some racks and we back fucking.
Thank you, man. Appreciate
Yeah,
the
of course,
demo.
yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
You too.
Yeah, awesome build, man.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, could I get a picture of it with it opening?
Yeah,
And I
yeah,
forgot
yeah.
to get a picture. That was fun. That's pretty impressive for a single sub.
Thank you. Yeah, I got a cute Neo sitting at home. It's got your recall
It is?
for it.
Oh,
For
okay.
it, yeah.
All right. What vehicle is this?
Kia Forte.
Kia Forte.
The hatchback, yeah.
All right.
Very nice.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.